If you've ever wondered how to check recently viewed tweets on X, formerly Twitter, the first thing you need to know is that X does not currently offer a native watch history or view history feed for ordinary tweets. So if you're expecting a simple recent activity page that shows every tweet you looked at, that feature does not exist. But there are still a few useful ways to find content you may have seen recently, and in this video, I'll walk you through them step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media guides just like this. First, let's talk about the search or explore bar. Open X on your phone or in your browser and tap or click the search bar at the top of the app or website. Once you click into the text box, your recent searches will usually drop down automatically. This is one of the quickest ways to return to topics, accounts, hashtags, or posts you were looking at recently. If you remember the keyword you searched, you can tap it again and jump right back in. Keep in mind, this only shows search history, not every tweet you viewed, but it can still help you find something fast. Next, go to your profile and check your likes tab. To do this, tap your profile icon, open your profile page, and then select the likes section. This area shows posts you have liked recently, which is often the easiest way to rediscover tweets you interacted with. If you tap the heart on a tweet earlier, it should appear here unless you remove the like later. This is especially helpful if you were scrolling quickly and want to return to a post you enjoyed, saved mentally, or plan to share later. Another useful option is Bookmarks. Open the main navigation menu on X and tap Bookmarks. This is where you'll find posts you manually save for later. If you bookmarked a tweet because you wanted to come back to it, this is the cleanest and most organized place to find it again. Unlike likes, bookmarks are private and are meant specifically for saving content without showing public interaction. So if you are trying to track down something you viewed recently, it's worth checking whether you bookmarked it at the time. If you still can't find the tweet, try combining these methods. Think back to whether you searched for it, liked it, or bookmarked it. Then use the search bar, your likes tab, and your bookmark section in that order. That gives you the best chance of finding the post again, even though X does not provide a full, recently viewed tweets history. And that's the key thing to remember here. There is no built-in recent views list for tweets on X, but your recent searches, likes, and bookmarks can help you recover content you saw before. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick X and Twitter tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.